everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Shab and thank you for joining. So today I've got a quick video for you. I've got a little haul from Revolution Beauty which I just wanted to share with you. I have picked up a couple of their new products, so you might have seen them already, recently advertised, and I've managed to grab a couple of them, so I'm looking forward to trying them out. Just get straight into it. First thing that jumps out at me is not a new product, and you may have seen me already use this. So it's another bottle of my Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. This is what it looks like. I use shade F2. It's mainly like an everyday foundation for me. I do tend to kind of reach for this for work and stuff like that. It's really good. It is full coverage. It lasts well. So this is £9.99. I will go through the prices of each product as I go along. The next thing I've got is a new concealer. So I've not tried this yet, and this is a new range, and it is the Revolution Eyebrite Illuminating Under Eye Concealer. I got mine in the shade Fair, and it says with vitamin C as well. That's the shade. So it does look double-ended. Let's see. This is the packaging. Looks a bit weird inside. Look, it looks like it's gone a little bit funny. I'm sure it's all right. It's very cute packaging, obviously, in with the colour scheme here. Yeah, it is just like the Maybelline eraser. So I am looking forward to trying this one. The shade looks all right for me as well. And it looks like you just twist it up at the bottom. I won't do it because it'll be a waste. I'm looking forward to trying that. And that retails for £8. The next thing I got was actually free. When you spent a certain amount, you got a free eye palette. And I've never tried it before. I really like the packaging on it. It's the Revolution Soft Jeweled. So as you can see, pretty shiny and chrome. It is still in the packaging. So I'll open this up and show you what this looks like. That's really pretty. It's very slim. It doesn't feel flimsy or anything, but I absolutely love the colours inside here. Hopefully you can see that quite well. You've got a nice white shimmery colour. You've got two nice transition colours here if you're doing quite a neutral. A really, really pretty blue. That is a glittery blue. A glittery grey, and then a matte grey next to it. So they'd be really nice together. You've got a darker grey at the end, and then a really nice purple. Yeah, it was free, so you can never go wrong with free. I'm such a bargain hunter. I'll always kind of look out for deals and stuff like that. I did get a bit of a tester in here for the Eyebrite, which is interesting because I chose Fair, but there's 3 different shades in here. So if I don't like it, I guess I can have a look at different shades that they've got in the range. So this is the one I've got here at the bottom, and then there's Porcelain at the top here, which is quite pinky, and then there's Light as well in the middle. So Fair seems to be the lightest shade. It does look a little bit orange. Hopefully it won't be on my face. The next thing I've got is from the Disney range, which I was so excited about. So this is from I Love Revolution, and it's the Disney Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs face palette. So this is the box, which I will probably keep because that is just ridiculously cute. There's a little bit of a inside joke that my nickname is Snow White. Don't know if you can see, but it's basically uncanny. Oh, it's so cute. Look. It's like books. It's got like gold around the edge and then red and gold on the front. That is so pretty. Oh, I love it. Oh, mirror, mirror on the wall. Oh, they're all named as well, which is really nice. So you've got 6 shades on the side here. You've got really bright blushes down the side here. This I would say is a highlighter, and this one as well. And then a really nice, pretty baby pink blusher shade here as well. I can't tell in the packaging if they're shimmery or not, but that's what I'm going for. I'm going for that. And then on this side, you've got 18 shadows as well. They're all really pretty. So you've got a mixture in here of mattes, and it's got a nice matte black at the bottom. That's really nice. That's really pretty. Woodland, a nice like emerald sort of green colour. And I'm Wishing and Evil Queen there. That's like a glitter. That's a matte. They would be really, really nice together. I'm so excited to try it. And they've got a nice like eyeshadow highlighter shade here, which is called Snow White. So, you know. But yeah, they've got like Huntsman, Poison, Hey Ho, Snow White, Evil Queen, Apple, Forest, Seven, The Prince, I'm Wishing, Steal a Kiss, Diamonds and Rubies, Queen's Castle, Magic, and Single Bite. Oh, it's so cute! Oh, and Red as a Rose. I forgot. How could I forget Red as a Rose? If you want me to make a video trying this out, let me know. I'll probably do it anyway, even if you don't ask. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to using that. It's really good quality as well. It feels really weighty, but it's not too bulky, you know, to carry around with you. And you've got such a good range of shades there that you probably wouldn't need anything else anyway. Hopefully they're nice and pigmented and blend well. So yeah, that retails for £12. And the next thing I've got is, again, a new product that they've launched. So it is the Revolution Graphic Liners, and I have it in our Artist Ego water activated palette with detailed brush. So basically you can do crazy liners in different colours. So we've got a black, a red, a yellow, and a navy blue. They have just released this and I was really excited. I went with this because I feel like it's the most versatile of all the options. So they do have, I think it's 4 in the range. And you can get like pinky purple, blue, green, that kind of colour scheme. I have watched a few videos on their Instagram where they're testing them out, where they're doing swatches and stuff, and they just look absolutely fab. I'm really, really looking forward to trying these out and creating some funky looks. These retail for £6, which I think is absolutely brilliant. 4 different colours in the palettes. Okay, and last but not least, I have picked up the Influencer Overnight book. So this is in partnership with the Blogger Agent and Revolution Pro. It's basically an interactive book, if you've not already seen it. It's an interactive book which you can list down all your goals over the next 6 months, over the next 12 months, your passions, you know, what you would like to create content about and that kind of stuff. And it's just got loads of tips and advice in here. For example, the checklist, what you need to create your content, lighting, kind of just advice from people that, you know, have been doing content creation for years. Obviously my channel is relatively new still, and the kind of YouTube community and Instagram and stuff like that is all new now compared to when I did it years ago. I have a lot to learn, you know, you do learn as you go along. If you're interested, check that out. You know, if you're similar to me and you're starting out on kind of a YouTube journey, or, you know, it could be anything, TikTok, Instagram, just social media in general, I suppose. I just find it really, really interesting. And I know I'll learn a lot from it. I've flicked through it briefly already, and there's some fantastic bits in here. So yeah, I'm looking forward to giving it all a good go. I've got to fill it out with all my goals and, you know, the stuff that I want to create this year and stuff like that. Thought I'd share that because I did get it in this order. And that retails for £15. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Again, just a quick reminder that I do have a giveaway open on my channel at the moment, and a giveaway open on my Instagram as well separately. So yeah, feel free to check them out and enter them. We've got about 2 weeks left on that. And I'm like a broken record because I'm reminding you in every single video, but never mind. As always, thank you for the support, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.